warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. My name is Arika. I am part of the Physics Department of Universitas Negeri Surabaya. And welcome to the defense of my study with title Bibliometric Analysis of Socio-Scientific Issue in Physics 2019 until 2020. Before we start, I would like to thank and welcome to my advisor, Mr. Utama Alandeta, Mrs. Juliana, Mr. Setio Atmoko, and Mr. Nadi Suprapto. That being said, let us begin. Let's begin with the background of this study. The advancement of technology and science always create new relations between science and society. Many science teachers say that the student motivation and interest in science learning is still low. The interpreter can increase motivation to carry out learning activity or interest in learning itself. Therefore, it is necessary to provide a relevant context for science learning to fulfill the relationship between life problem and science knowledge. One of the contexts that the ingredient in science education research is socio-scientific issue. SSI is a controversial topic with an important and science foundation or field to society. Overall, SSI has emerged as a practical context for studying to relating science learning in more complex political and social environment. Several studies have examined the application of SSI in science learning. The study from Yanisa et al. 2020 identify of information context related to SSI implementation, and the analysis was mapped by ArcGIS 10.5 software. However, analyzing using the bibliometric analysis method has never been carried out. So, the study was held to examine the analysis of scientific study from 2019 to 2020 through bibliometric analysis method. We have 4 focus questions. 1. How are the top of SSI research in world from 2019 to 2020? And second, who are the top research authors of SSI in the world from 2019 to 2020? Third, how are the relationship between socio-scientific issue and learning? And fourth, how are the relationship between socio-scientific issue and physics? And now, let's see how the research method used. The type of the study is literature study that analyzes using bibliometric analysis guidelines. The data was collected on April 22, 2021, and searched from Google Scholar database through the published or Paris software. The keyword is socio-scientific issue in physics in period 2019 until 2020. For data analysis technique, we use PhosFiber software. From the number of article citation, questing result obtained the top 5 articles. The research conducted by Soli et al., Liang, and Binis et al. So, who is the top author? Let's see in this figure. The top author is Archer. The cycle size indicates how often the research is related to the topic. If the cycle size is getting bigger, the keywords that appear are also more frequent. Based on the research results, socio-scientific issue and physics are in yellow or PQ, which means that the keywords socio-scientific issue and physics have appeared quite a lot in the title and abstract of several scientific articles. There are 6 clusters: red, green, blue. There are 6 clusters: red, green, blue, yellow, purple, and light blue. So the relationship between one topic and another. Focus on mapping more specific relationship, we can find that the content of SSI research is more dominant in science and quite a bit for physics. Physics is one of the trends in SSI research issue in 2019 until 2020, especially in related to climate change. Socio-scientific issue keyword is in a same cluster with the skill keyword. SSI can be closely related to several skills such as argumentation, listening, scientific literacy, scientific process, and understanding. Several studies have proven the relationship between science skill and SSI. First, from Isma et al. 2019 research showed that the use of teaching material based on socio-scientific issue can improve the understanding in nature of science, especially on solar system material. And second, from Dolan research showed that the implementation of SSI context also affected student reasoning ability and can make it easier for students to explain scientific phenomena. This result can also make it easier to find the novelty from research on socio-scientific issue. For example, research on socio-scientific issue has a reasonably significant relationship with student argumentation skill. So, analysis of the influence of socio-scientific issue on the quality of argumentation can also be considered for researchers to conduct further research. So finally, let me briefly summarize the main point or conclusion. First, the best article is about the multifocality and multimodality inherent in SSI. Second, the most prolific author is Archer. Third, the context of SSI learning is closely related to the ability of argumentation, understanding, scientific knowledge, and inquiry. And fourth, in physics, SSI is closely related to climate change and the nature of science. That's all for me. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.